And hello, good timers. So today we have another episode of Cooking with Andy, and I've got a special guest star right here beside me. That's ignoring the camera because he's camera shy. But it's Snowden. Yesterday was Snowden's birthday. So today I'm going to make him some doggy pupcakes. That's right, cupcakes for dogs. So that's what we're doing today in the kitchen. So join me here and we'll get started. And Snowden can come along too. Guys, so you've seen what the ingredients are already here, and we've got some peanut butter, some baking powder, some baking soda, a medium to large banana, cream cheese, a little bit of butter there that we've already opened, so I'm going to use this one, some all-purpose flour that's spilling all over my cupboard, and then some organic honey, but you can use whatever honey you want. Now the recipe that I found actually calls for oil. I know that Snowden loves butter, so we're going to use butter instead of oil, but you can interchange them however you like. And yeah, so I got my trusty cell phone here because this is the first time I've ever made this recipe. So it's going to be a test run for both myself and for Snowden. So first thing we're going to do, according to the cell phone here, is turn the oven on to 350 and get that heating up while we're doing everything else. As you can see, we've got a helper right here that's going to probably get in my way during this whole thing. Alright, so the oven is preheating now at 350, guys. And okay, we got enough of Snowden now.
Wait.
Camera lady.
It's all about him.
Camera lady.
It's all about Snowden. Okay, we're up here.
So guys, Simone is on the camera today, so we might get more Snowden than me in the recipe, but hey, we'll do the best we can here for you. So what we're going to do first is we are going to put our dry ingredients here into this bowl. Oops. Alright. So, baking soda first, and it is half a teaspoon of baking soda. Yes, thank you. And that is 1 teaspoon, so we're just going to kind of wing it, fill it halfway. This is for the dog. Doesn't have to be that perfect, right? Alright, so here's a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then we've got a 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, which, I don't know, seems kind of pointless to me, but we'll go with it. There we go, sure. We'll call that a 1/4 of baking powder. Alright, next is half a cup of flour. Hopefully in this cupboard right here in front of me there's a half cup somewhere. 1/3, 1/4. Oh, there's 1 cup. We're just going to fill this halfway. See what happens. Alright. As you can see, there's the dog. Okay, there's the half a cup of flour. Alright. And then next it says to mash up my banana. Now I'm not sure if Snowden even likes bananas, guys, to be honest with you. I've never actually tried it. So let's give him a little bite and see what happens. We're going to use that fork? Yeah, why not?
Sure.
He's going to eat that anyway. Alright, let's see what happens, guys.
Oh, no, I meant to mash the banana up.
Bananas. Okay, well this ought to be good then. So he doesn't seem to like bananas, but it's going to go into these pupcakes anyway. There. Camera lady, back to the cooking. Alright guys, so we're just going to put this here for now, I guess. Alright, so mash up your banana, and the riper the banana the better, guys, because the ones that are unripe are going to be very hard to mash.
Like
This one
the
here
ones
is
you got there?
no treat either.
I think if you microwave it, it like softens it.
I don't know. You microwave a banana before?
Yeah.
Alright, so mash that in, guys. Then we're going to, I'm going to unlock my phone now because my recipe just locked up on me. Alright, we are going to add next 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Just going to keep mashing this banana for a second here. Alright. And it doesn't really specify chunky or smooth, but I get chunky in the fridge here, so I guess he's getting chunky. Once again, these measurements are not going to be the most precise in the world. But we're just going to go ahead and call that 2 tablespoons. We're going to use peanut butter again in a little bit, guys, for the frosting, which we'll show you when these things are baking. We'll make that at the same time. Alright, butter. Need the butter now, guys. You're going to have to melt that in the microwave for a second. Alright, that's probably close enough. Yeah, close enough. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add that to the mixture here, guys.
Give me the dish.
Alright, so no one's going to lick the bowl for us, I have a feeling. Alright guys, so as you can see I've mixed that in here now. And that looked like it was actually about right. So it's a nice consistency for muffins. Most of those bananas look like they're mashed up in there now.
It's a shadow. Go into the light over here.
There we go. All right.
There we can see.
All right, so that's better. So there you go, guys. So that looks like a good muffin consistency to me. So got myself a silicone cupcake thing here. And somewhere in here I've got a scoop. So this is going to make, depending on the scoop size you guys have, it's going to make anywhere from, oh, I don't know, 3 to 6 muffins probably, or pupcakes as we're calling them. So 1 drop in there. And I did not pre-spray this, guys, because it's a silicone mat, and also there's plenty of oil in these peanut butter in these muffins already, so I don't expect them to stick, but I could be wrong. I just dropped batter on my cell phone. That's cool. Okay. There you go. So if that happens, guys, just take your finger and do that. So it looks like this is actually going to end up making 4. And we'll probably have to split these in half for the dog when we give them to him, because probably one of these is going to be quite large, I'm guessing.
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, so these are going to go into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, or until they look like they're done pretty much. So, oven is still preheating, but as soon as that's preheated, we're going to throw them in there, and then we will show you what they look like when they come out. In the meantime, we're going to make some frosting. Alright guys, so some of you may be wondering what happened to the honey that was supposed to be in this recipe. It's right here, unopened. Oops! So here's what I'm going to do. Calls for 2 tablespoons of honey, so I'm just going to drop a little bit into each cup here. Now for those of you amateur ones at home, you probably don't want to do this. I probably don't want to do this, but we figured we should get them almost authentic.
Almost.
So we're just going to drizzle it in there, and then we're going to stir it right in the cup. Sure, I could put it back in the bowl, but what's the fun in that, right?
Yeah, just mix it with the butter knife.
Alright, so we're just going to mix it in here with the butter knife, like Simone said. So mix it right in there. That's good. These are going to be great. It's going to be delicious.
Mm-hmm. By
the way, these can be eaten by humans. There's absolutely nothing in here that is not human safe. So now, for me, I'm actually allergic to peanut butter, so I won't be testing these, but who knows? Maybe we can get Simone to try a bite. Who knows? Simone may be eating all of them if Snowden doesn't like them.
Very possible.
Quite possible, yes. So, all right. So I stirred in the honey there, guys. So hopefully that works. We'll find out. And now we'll pop them into the oven.
Are you excited? Are you excited, Snowden?
All right, so 20 minutes here, guys. Snowden is very interested in them apparently. Excuse me. Okay. Right in there like that. We'll make sure we set the timer here. And now on to some frosting. So, the frosting recipe is very easy. It is literally just 2 ounces of cream cheese and about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So let's see, 2 ounces, about right there, we're going to say. Now Snowden should love this stuff because he loves cheese of any kind. For example, if I say the word cheese, you can see the look in his eyes, guys. He loves cheese. All right, so there you go. This should be a winner. So I'm just going to use this same bowl because Simone does not like to do dishes, and I can't do dishes. At least she tells me that. All right, 2 tablespoons. Sure, that looks about right. And then, guys, we're just going to go through and mash this together. But this should be pretty good, I would think, for 4 cupcakes. Snowden might disagree. He's kind of like the Mark Anderson of dogs. There's never enough cheese in anything. Hashtag more cheese. Smells good. Once again, I'm not going to try it. So we're just going to keep stirring this, guys, while Simone apparently films the dog. Tell me what you think, if it has enough peanut butter in it or not.
You want me to try it? Oh, okay.
Well, plus people want you on camera, so there you go. Now you're on camera.
It tastes like cream cheese and peanut butter.
Perfect. All right.
Oh, it's perfect. Let's have
Tastes like cream
try
cheese
it.
and peanut butter, guys. Now
Getting
the
close.
ultimate test here. Yep. I guess there's enough cream cheese and peanut butter in there, guys. So if Snowden does not like the pupcakes, at least we'll know he'll
like the
enjoy the frosting. So. All right, guys, as you can see, the pupcakes are out of the oven, and I would say that they're not the most beautiful things in the world, but Simone here is going to throw the frosting right to them and make them more beautiful.
Well, they don't know about that, but I'm putting frosting on them.
Oh, yeah. No, it's beautiful.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
Beautiful. Now, obviously, this frosting is a little chunky, guys, as I'm using chunky peanut butter. I'm going to assume if you use smooth peanut butter, it's probably going to look a little prettier, but not much. The dog is going to think it's beautiful, though. Did you save any frosting for the other ones there?
Yeah, there's enough
Oh,
for
okay. All right.
There's
Okay.
a lot of frosting.
All right, so what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to serve this up to the dog, obviously.
Yeah.
I think we're going to cut this one in half, though, for him.
Just in case.
He's not the biggest dog in the world, and I don't think he's ever actually eaten bananas. So, we don't want any accidents later on. Right now, we got a great birthday celebration. We want to keep it that way. We've got the perfect serving dish here, guys. Nice, shiny, clean. And he is anxiously waiting. You want a pupcake? Huh? You want a pupcake?
It's your birthday.
All right, here we go, guys. The test.
It's your birthday.
Let's see. Smelling? Uh-oh.
Is it because I served it
Oh,
to
no.
you?
He gets a little curious with Simone. All right,
I to give him too many
We're gonna back
pills
off a little bit.
once.
All right, we got a lick. Okay, well, he licked it. Andy might have to serve this to him. You want a treat?
You want a treat? You want a treat?
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, we're going in now.
Whoa, that's a big bite.
That was a big bite.
Let's put that over here.
Okay, all right.
Here we go.
Dude, you gotta eat this for the video. You gotta pretend to like it, just like they do on TV. Oh, that was a big bite.
Oh boy.
We're going to seconds. All right. Success, guys. So after a little bit of hesitation there, we'll say, I think we have a winner. Oh yeah, he's licking the bowl. So stay tuned, guys, for more cooking with Andy. Sometimes we'll do some stuff for the dog. Other times we'll do some stuff for humans. So there you go. Appreciate you guys joining us today. Happy birthday to Snowden. Thank you to my sous chef, Simone. And until next time.
Have a good time.
Have a good time. Woof. Have a good time.
Up here. Come on. Up here. Yeah.
Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your